Do you like watching films? Yes, I like watching films a lot. Who doesn't like it? What's your favorite film? My favorite film is... I need to think. I think my favorite film is Avatar. What kind of films do you like most? I like adventure and thriller films most. Who is your favorite actor or actress? My favorite actor is definitely Brad Pitt. I love him. I have seen all his films. Why do you like him so much? I like him because he is such a handsome man and a very talented actor. What was the last film you watched? The last film I watched was a James Bond film called GoldenEye. What is the film about? Of course, it's about James Bond and his enemies. What else could it be about? Who is in the film? Pierce Brosnan is James Bond in the film. But, to be honest, I don't know the names of other actors. Where does the film take place? All over the world. James follows his enemies everywhere in the world. What's the story of the film? There is a British agent. An ex-Russian general kills this agent. Then James tries to catch the general, and so on. Do you like the film? What do you think about it? It isn't a bad film. A typical James Bond story. It's a fun and engrossing film. I had a very good time while watching it.